lifting straight up. There we go. The more you pull up, the more you see. You can do this bit as well. Please share, guys, if you like what you're seeing. If you fancy helping, yeah, just share. You've made it look magical within a couple of seconds. Thank you. Just lift up, straight up. You can make them bright if you wanted to. Look at them beautiful lights. Also, just pull right through, quite sort of hard. There we go. There we go. That's quite nice. And you can sort of gently go the other way on the bottoms of these, and just do that. Let's just pull these ones down there. I'll probably do the water reflections first as well, because I need that done before I sort of put land about, so. Look at that magic, it's magic, you know. Right, that's a nice backdrop for everything now. That's like the water done, the sky done. Just tap in a little bit of colour along here. This is going to be more like a glow. More like a glow. Just going to tap in a little colour there. We should get some nice green come out of this. I'm going to sort of do it this way. With a little glow there. See how I sort of fan that out as well. Have that mixing in there, let the green coming through. That's it, and then we're going to pull down as well. In the same sort of way. Got that colour coming through, and same down here, just softening it up. Yeah, look at that. Right, keep your eyes on these lights, okay? Keep your eyes on the lights. We're going to make these into water. Just by going across like that, we get a nice sort of reflection. That will be water eventually. We'll come across there. You can even pull that down as water reflections as well. If we lift up there, look, you get tiny little trees that live in the far distance. If you was close enough, you could see that, but if you, I'll show you close at the end. There's little tiny trees right in the background there. But I'm just going to make a kind of shape where it might sort of come along. So this is all sort of dark here. We can push up here, be just sort of black. We can just create a shape. Let's just pull this down here. Just want this, want like a little edge with some snow on there. Picking up all them nice colours underneath as well. We're going to come somewhere down like this on this one, it sort of disappears. Look, you can just have all different kinds of shapes of trees. Just putting all these little highlights on here and there, just very gently. We'll just come a little bit down here because this is where we're going to have the thing, you know, the cabin. Here and there. You can just create all different kinds of bushes or something darker over there. And I need to kind of dabble this up and join it together. Figure out where to do this. I can just scrape in a basic shape here. So I can do this. And that's scraping the paint off as well, which is really good. Go this way. On a roof, making the shape of this thing, and you can come across there. Right, now we can just sort of lay in a sort of shape here. So I can just pull that colour down. It's like a dark brown colour. Doesn't matter if you go over your line as well. You can sort of figure that out. Let's go here. blocking in colour really. I just want to lay some snow on here. We're going to need some over here. Or just pull that down. The angle's coming down here now. I can cut that off there. That's it. Still some highlights, but a little darker. That's too dark, that's too light there, but I'm gonna have some trees there anyway. Put a little thing here. Just a bit of thing. We can add some boards in and cut the bottom off that again. That's it. That's got to get this angle sort of right here. Let's give him a door. Boards. Some old boards. Makes it look like there's old boards there going across. I've had a little bit of green there because I felt like it. Just hide half of it here and there. Little thing there, little door frame. Right. Gotta hide that. Yeah, I want to bring this one right down here. Look at that snow just coming through there. That's worked out pretty damn well, if you ask me. All them little colours are in there. Get a little snow up to the door there, look. This is a big tree that's sort of coming in front there, so we're just going to do something like that. We can put all different kind of shapes and stuff in here. Just see how that comes. I'm just using the fan brush here, but I really do like that snow with the cabin. Oh yes, this is looking good. Love it. Absolutely loving. Stunning, thank you. Oh my words, this is great, thank you. I'm getting better, Mum. This is where you can just sort of make any kind of... Got to think about how these bushes and stuff would lay. And we can do a few little nice sticks here and here. Oh, I love that cabin. I love it. Love the depth of your log cabin. Thank you. Yeah, me too. I like it. And like the way it's sort of hidden. My favourite bit is the snow coming out onto the there. Just want a few little things here and there. I can drag all this out, so it's fine. See the way that sort of moves and plays across the water there. Just think how the water comes round. I've used a thick paint there. Rather than sort of a thin paint, just to get like, I really want to get some movement on this water coming through. I know it looks quite nice as well as it is, but I just want to get all that on there. There's another bit that comes around here. There we go. Look. See, like you can have all these little things growing there. Have them in here as well, look. Growing. Okay, back into the script brush. I think I've just got about enough colour here to sign this one off. Yeah, just about. There we go. There's painting 241. Your art is so amazing, beautiful. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. There we go. Right, everyone. I'll say goodnight. Thanks for being here.